Complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Welcome. I am Emma, and this is an English pronunciation practice class. Today we will train the R sound with clear words and short phrases.
Hi, I am Nexo. I am ready to listen, repeat, and make a strong English R sound.
Great energy. Nexo, let us start slowly, listen carefully, and repeat with confidence. Before we begin, I will show you the structure of this pronunciation lesson. The first part of the lesson is words. We will hear and repeat useful words with the R sound. The second part of the lesson is phrases. We will listen to short phrases and notice the R sound in context. Remember, listen first, then repeat. Small practice every day helps a lot.
I like that. I will listen carefully and repeat with power.
Excellent. Nexo. Now let us begin with the words.
Listen and repeat out loud. Rabbit. Rabbit. Robot. Robot. Radio. Radio. Rocket. Rocket. Ring. Ring. Rope. Rope. Rose. Rose. Road. Road. Rock. Rock. River. River. Rain. Rain. Rice. Rice. Ruler. Ruler. Room. Room. Roof. Roof. Rat. Rat. Rug. Rug. Train. Train. Phrases.
Good job. You completed the words. It is very important to listen to as much English as possible because your ear learns the sounds step by step.
Nice. I can feel my ear getting better with each word.
Now, we move to phrases. The goal is to listen carefully to short English phrases and get used to the sounds in natural speech.
Rabbit. Rabbit. The rabbit is small. The rabbit is small. Robot. Robot. The robot is blue. The robot is blue. Radio. Radio. The radio is on. The radio is on. Rocket. Rocket.
The rocket is fast. The rocket is fast. Ring. Ring. The ring is gold. The ring is gold. Rope. Rope. The rope is long. The rope is long. Rose. Rose. The rose is red. The rose is red. Road. Road. The road is wide. The road is wide. Rock. Rock. The rock is gray. The rock is gray. River. River. The river is deep. The river is deep. Rain. Rain. The rain is heavy. The rain is heavy. Rice. Rice. The rice is hot. The rice is hot. Ruler. Ruler. The ruler is green. The ruler is green. Room. Room. The room is clean. The room is clean. Roof. Roof. The roof is high. The roof is high. Rat. Rat. The rat is tiny. The rat is tiny. Rug. Rug. The rug is soft. The rug is soft. Train. Train. The train is late. The train is late.
Great work! You and Nexo finished the pronunciation class for the R sound.
Yes, that was fun. My English R is getting stronger.
Fantastic! Keep listening, keep repeating, and see you in the next class.